have made it to
the wilderness.
The wilderness. It's one of the places that the kids absolutely love, and I like it too. I like it too. Did you make the call? All right.
Scared?
I taught you guys 2 years ago how to do this.
Where's the...
Hi, I would like to request a shuttle from Glacier Canyon door 5 to New Frontier for 5 people, please.
Nice job. First attraction is going to be
Take flight.
Take flight. So we're going to give that a try. We've never done that. There's an added expense to do take flight, and so it's just something that we haven't ever done. But this year, Warren, what did he do? He bought unlimited fun passes.
Yep.
Which, in the end, they ended up having one of the buildings closed. So we are only able to use unlimited on the last day that we're here. So they, like at the front desk, what they did is they gave more credits for the arcade, and then they also gave us a, what is that noise?
My hands in my face.
Oh, sorry. And then they also gave us complimentary passes to the Air Adventure. Take
flight.
Take flight. Okay, so we're gonna go and give that a try. Never done that before, but it should be exciting. We're kind of hoping, we went to something kind of like this in Washington, D.C., at least Joseph and Peter and I did, and so we're kind of hoping it's kind of like that IMAX theater type of thing. Sometimes they call it 4D, where you like feel the experiences and you might feel the wind. We'll let you know what it's all about.
They like too.
Yep.
Oh boy, the wolf's gonna win.
Oh yeah, he's even a waving Santa. All right, here they come. Go out the other side. Go out the other side. Great.
There goes mine.
You want?
Peanut, starter, tomatoes, onions.
All right.
About fresh fries.
Okay.
Carrots.
All right, Joe knows what he wants.
What do you want?
He wants a cheeseburger with tomato and onion.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, and French fries. It's a tradition. We always come to Monk's during Cranberry School, don't we?
Yeah.
Always, always. It is very good. We always get good food. And starting with cheese curds is the perfect thing to do. Oh yeah? Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Thank you.
All right.
They look like chicken meatballs.
They do.
They're supposed to be chicken legs.
That looks like a good one. Look at that. Little brisket. Day 2.
Day 2.
What door is creepy?
Vending room.
That's a creepy door.
That's the vending room.
There's no vending machines in there though. They call it vending.
That's what makes it creepy.
I guess.
Ooh, it looks like there's an ice machine
Yeah, and a garbage.
and a garbage.
Give me
bin.
the
So as I was saying, it's day 2. Yesterday, I think, did we film as we were getting ready to go to take flight? Yes, we did. I think there was a little filming going on. Anyway, take flight. It's like,
It was so cool.
no.
If you have a weak stomach, don't do it.
Oh, yes.
But
It was
like,
good. I
like a
kept telling
ride.
myself it was okay. Yeah, it's like a ride.
It's like a ride. But like there's a big screen and it like hooks up with your chair and it looks like you're flying through the air. And
Yeah,
it seems
and
really
like
weird.
you're all like buckled in and stuff, but like this like garage door opens up and you like get pushed forward, so like your feet are just hanging in the air.
I would say it's like a 15 feet to the bottom.
Yeah,
I have
and then
no
it's,
idea
like,
how
this
far.
Huge like screen, but it looks like real life. So like it feels and the seats like move, so it feels like you're like flying. I was really nervous, so like before you go, there's like this room and it has a TV in it and it like says some rules and like how to buckle and stuff. I was really nervous in that. I was more nervous for that than the actual thing. Because I was like, this is gonna be really scary. But it wasn't that scary.
I don't know.
Yeah.
All I know is that I kept telling myself, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. Because I get like motion sickness. And it was pretty good until maybe the last
Like
5 minutes or 4 minutes or something. And then I was like, my knees were so weak.
We went through these ice caves and they were kind of
Yeah.
make you sick.
And another thing that was really cool, so like we went underwater and like it felt like you were underwater in the screen, and like above you there was like water sprayers, so like water was spraying on
Like
you.
when you would go from the air down into the water, water would spray on you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
It was something else. So all right,
That
we
was
are
my
at the
least
phone.
favorite part, the water.
We are at the phone. We are going to be heading over. Hi, could we get a shuttle from Glacier Canyon door 3 to the go-karts? 4. Thanks. Off to the go-karts this morning, correct? Are you
Go-kart's already open.
gonna drive a go-kart this morning, Joe?
No.
You did it yesterday and you did a
guys should
great
go.
job.
I won.
There's no way the two of us can fit in a go-kart, Peter.
No.
There's no way. Yesterday, Joe did
Third
really.
place.
You did really good yesterday, Joe. I was actually very proud. I was a little worried.
One of the times.
You won?
Yeah.
Because you started
Oh,
out
God.
first.
Whatever.
Well, she held her first place, didn't she?
Yeah.
Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe. There we go. Let me get a picture of you. I could literally play this game all day. We are once again waiting for the shuttle. It is, what is it, day 3 now, right, Maria? It is going to be our last day here. In past, what we have done is gotten an extra night, and so then we were able to be like in and out of the room all day on kind of like Warren's last day. Anyway, this year we just decided not to do that because last year it was just a little too long, 3 nights in a hotel. But we have decided we're not going to do any water parking today. We're just going to do all of the other attractions because a lot of the other attractions like the mini golf and the ropes course and things like that, like the dry land things
Golden bracelet.
with the golden bracelet, yes. They've been closed the last 2 days, and now today all of those things.
Today it's open.
Right, they're all open today. So we're gonna do that for the whole day. And I mean, after a couple days of water park fun,
Yeah.
it gets to be a lot, doesn't it? I mean, Maria has a plugged ear, and Joe's eyes are red, and it just gets to be a lot. But I will say that one thing I have definitely noticed about being at a water park, like today it feels so good to have on regular clothes. What's the matter?
Your eyes too red?
Your eyes are still red. Yes, they are. It feels good to have on just like regular clothes, a sweater, jeans, shoes, because When you're at a water park, it's almost like you're lounging at a relative's house all the time. It's one step up from home. You're not walking around your house in your underwear, but you're like, I mean, you see people in bathrobes and tennies, slippers and pajama pants, and we all just walk around like we all know one another. So anyway, just wanted to kind of make that observation because I thought it was kind of funny. And yeah, it feels good to just be in regular clothes today. It's gonna be time to go.
It's pretty noisy.
It is a noisy one, isn't it? Let's just keep it going, yep. We're gonna head back to our room, basically for lunch, eat up whatever snacks,
Yeah.
whatever we can find. Whatever we can find. Eat it all up, pack everything up, and then we will be hanging out at Wild West all day and do just dry land stuff. We're all starting to feel a little like, what did you say, Peter? I don't know if oozy is the word. Oh, woozy. I was going to say, we're not feeling oozy. We're feeling a bit woozy here. He's supposed to be in there.
No.
He came running.
He came running down.
Joseph!
All right, that was just an abrupt stop because, well, we lost Joe for a moment there. This is something that I had picked up from Walmart. Here's the package. They had kind of like this new prepared meal kind of area, and I thought this would be a good thing for lunch. At least I would love this. I always like and miss having vegetables when we are like out. You know, you're eating like cheese and sausage sticks and stuff like that.